what it costs, and how it relates to home care. So many years ago, I attended a conference, and during the keynote speech, there was somebody, I don't remember who it was, but this stuck with me. They said, when you do a presentation, you can have good news and bad news. Get the bad news out of the way, don't hide it, don't sugarcoat it. Finish with good news, leave people uplifted. So the bad news I'm going to share today is that as I look at it, everybody, you're all going to die. Nobody's gotten out of life alive yet. Enjoy it while it's here. The good news is we've had medical advances. We have care options for people now, which helps you to live longer. We don't have a lot of time here, so we should enjoy the time that we have. So, I'm going to work from the bottom up again, going from bad news first, and then leading into better news. So, the least desired level of senior care would be hospice care. What is hospice care? So, hospice care requires a doctor to say that with an illness that you have, if it follows its normal course, you have 6 months of life expectancy or less. It is focused on comfort and quality of life, not looking for a cure. The good news with that doom and gloom is that it is paid for by Medicare and by insurance. So, Massachusetts health insurance regulations require that every health insurance policy that's sold must provide a hospice benefit. Therefore, at the end of life, you don't have to worry about it. You won't have anything left by the end of life if you go through this whole cycle. Families become the primary caregivers, though. Hospice is only in for a limited amount of time every day. That's the opportunity for home care. We can partner with hospice so that the family doesn't have to stay awake 24/7 trying to provide care and services to their loved ones. Next comes hospitals. Okay? Go to a hospital if you have a life-threatening illness. What are those? You have chest pains. You have left or right side weakness. You have a droopy face. Both of those can be signs of stroke. You suffer a traumatic injury. Any of those happen, call 911 right away. Don't ask a family member, a loved one, or anyone else to take you to the hospital. Something could happen to make your condition worse while you're being transported. If you're in an ambulance, you're getting medical care immediately. If you don't need to go to the hospital, if you don't have a life-threatening illness, go see your doctor. Hospitals are full of illness. They're full of disease. They're full of things like C. diff and MRSA that you can catch easily. This is an example of what a hospitalization costs. Mass General produces a lot of information that's available. If you go to Mass General with chest pains and you have no complications, that's going to be a $20,000 bill. If you have severe sepsis, which is you can pick up when you're in the hospital, that can cost $235,000 before you get out of care, before you get out of the hospital. Make sure you have a good insurance policy to cover that. Hospitals, after your hospitalization, they will either discharge to home or to skilled nursing. If they discharge to home, they may have orders that says you need help at home. That's a referral opportunity for home care. If you're discharged to skilled nursing, that can delay the opportunity. After hospitals, we have skilled nursing facilities. Now, they could have gone below hospitals or above. In talking about home care, I chose to put them above. 2 reasons why you would go to skilled nursing. Long-term care. Okay, that means you're going to be living in a nursing home. You require daily skilled medical care. The average cost in Massachusetts for skilled nursing is over $150,000 a year. It's very expensive. There are limited payment options for that $150,000 a year. You've heard our insurance seat and our elder care seat talk about the value of long-term care insurance. At $150,000 a year, you're going to burn through your money pretty quickly. Certain life insurance policies can be converted to pay for long-term care. There are some limited VA benefits. You can spend all of your savings, and once you do, and you have less than $2,000 out of the nursing home, but you're broke by it. You can also go to skilled nursing for rehab. Rehab has to happen after a 3-day hospitalization, and you have to be admitted to a Medicare certified facility to be able to get costs paid for. It can be paid by Medicare, somewhat. Okay? Your first 20 days in rehab are paid for by Medicare. From day 21 through day 100, you will have a $170.50 a day copay before Medicare pays anything. That, if you need all 100 days, can cost you over $13,000. If you exceed 100 days, there's no payer source except your own pocket. When you get discharged from rehab, a lot of times you need additional help at home. You may get additional rehab services at home. Home care can also help with some of your activities of daily living until you get better. After that is assisted living. Each state in assisted living sets their own regulations. There is no national model like there is for hospice, hospital care, and skilled nursing facilities. Massachusetts is extremely restrictive. The first sentence in the laws for assisted living say that assisted living is to promote the availability of services for elderly and disabled individuals in a residential setting. Health insurance doesn't pay for your mortgage. It doesn't pay for any level of residential setting. In assisted living, you receive housing, meals, activities, assistance with your activities of daily living, and just about every assisted living offers memory care support. What does assisted living not offer to people? It does not provide skilled medical services. By regulation, it's not allowed to. It does not provide one-on-one care. Assisted living facilities can bring in ancillary providers of services to their communities. That's an advantage for home care, for the one-to-one care, to help people continue to stay where they are, not have to move from traditional to memory care or from memory care to skilled nursing. In addition, physicians, home care agencies that provide skilled services can come in to help people in assisted living as well. In Massachusetts, we are above the national average for the cost of assisted living thanks to all the regulations that Massachusetts puts in place. And the corridor from Boston to Worcester is the most expensive part of Massachusetts. So the average assisted living right now in this area runs $6,000 a month or $72,000 a year. Memory care is more expensive and up to $96,000 a year. Long-term care insurance can pay for this if you have it, or you pay privately. There are no other payer sources for assisted living. After that comes independent living. What is independent living? It's basically apartment living with a senior center providing services, although it's done not through a senior center but through staff on site. Traditionally, you get one meal a day with an option to pay an upcharge to get more meals a day. You're, in theory, independent and can shop and cook. There are some limited activities, and you get weekly housekeeping services. Again, in Massachusetts, it costs about $45,000 a year for independent living. You can pay for that, long-term care insurance or private. Then, at the top of this pyramid is home. Yay. Everybody wants to be home, right? Everybody would like to age in place at home. We can come in, we can provide all of these services and many other ones to people at home. It's not all bad. Some of you may recognize that's Gary Player, PGA golfer, one of the greatest of all time. That's him at 35. This is him at 82, a year and a half ago at the Masters. Stay active, stay healthy, laugh, live, and love. We like to keep people safe. Here's contact information. Thank you for your time.